Please don't worry. By the time I pay for house rent now, I pay for shop, then you see me now, begin to shower you with money.
Really? Yes. Thank you. That would be so nice. Baby, see, I don't want you to look for a house. Yes, now. Let's keep living together like this. Or don't you like the way I just gave it to you now?
I like it too. You want to kill me?
No, I can't kill you. See, I just want to save money. You can give this money to me, so I'll save it for us. Baby, please now. Please. See the way I'm begging you. How many ladies will do what I'm doing in this town? All this is to show you how much I love you.
It's okay, don't worry. I'll give you the money.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, that's so sweet. Come here.
But see, I don't. But I don't want pregnant too.
No, I won't be pregnant. You don't want baby, Abby? No pregnancy.
No.
Alright, thank you very much, baby.
I'll give you all of them. I'll give you.
Yeah, come, let me give you some more.
Hey!
Thank you very much, madam. My brother's son here brought me to the city that he saw a very beautiful girl he wants to marry. My son, I hope we are at the right place.
Life and direct.
You people are welcome. Welcome. Collins.
Yes,
You are the man of the house. I think over to you.
Yeah, like my mom said, you people are highly welcome. Thank you. I really regret coming to this place to seek my sister's hand in marriage. I know she will never disappoint you. She's a good girl, a barrister, and she's gonna make you a good wife. Beautiful babies. Huh?
Yes.
So you're welcome. Not making the wrong choice. Anyways, Mom, let me go call her.
It's okay.
I'm not the one getting married, so
yes.
She's the one getting married, so let her tell us what she wants. I'm coming, married.
All the police, low soldier. Chapel.
You're welcome, my people.
If you can say that again.
Nina, my daughter. With the smiles on your face, that shows they are welcome to our house. Once again, you people are welcome.
Thank you very much, man.
Thank you, man. But I think I'm going to stop here.
Why?
Actually, Nina here is not my biological daughter. I adopted her when she was 6 years old. Her parents are still alive. Yes. I promised them that I'm going to take care of her daughter, train her to any level of her choice until the day a man comes to ask for her hand in marriage. And I'm happy. I'm happy I'm alive to see today. You people are here for her hand in marriage. So biblically, I know it's her parents' right to give her hand in marriage. Nina, am I right?
Yes, Mom. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, man. My son. Sir? I hope you heard what she said. what she said. What are we going to do? What?
Ujunwa, this is not why you should be crying. Eh?
Mama, why won't I cry? You told me that Opina will come begging. But for a month now, we've not seen him. I have been calling him, he will not take my calls.
What do I say now? Eh? As far as I'm concerned, Opina doesn't love you. Any man that loves his wife will come back looking for her. Maybe you waste more. I beg.
Mama, I am not waiting. You've deceived me enough. I want to go back to my husband. I just pray he has not gotten another woman.
Ujunwa, you talk to your mother this way. Ujunwa, I said I deceived you. Did I force you to come back with me? Did I? Wait, oh, must you obey every word I tell you? Yes.
What is going on here?
Papa, I am ready to go back to my husband. I'm not sure he's coming for me.
I'm really famished. What do we have in this house? I want to eat. Yes. Look at you. You want to go? I warned you. I told you that a fly that does not listen to advice follows the corpse into the grave. You wouldn't listen. Your mommy kept on encouraging you to leave. You were following. Look, what an elder sees sitting at the bottom of the tree. A young man standing on top of that tree will not see it. Now, your mother was spoiling you. Do you know what will happen before you get there? And you find another woman there, then you know what you've done for yourself. I've been telling you, making stay there, you will stay there, you are not going anywhere. You see?
Nine. Is that what you will say? Nine, is that what you will say?
What do you want me to say?
When will you ever encourage your daughter? Eh? Ujunwa, don't worry. I know what we will do.
You are without going to my husband's house now.
Baby. What is it now? Eh?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I'm tired. I don't have money to buy goods again. My money has finished.
That one is not a problem now. Eh? Why don't you buy the ones the money can afford?
You don't understand. It won't be enough. My shop will be very scanty. I just paid for shop now, but there's no money to buy goods and put in it. The 1.2 million I came to this town with is only remaining 400,000. 400,000. If I used to buy goods, it will not be enough.
What is all this complaint? Eh? That money is even too small. You stay in my house, I feed you, and you're complaining that your money is finished. Please, I beg, say something else. Eh? I hope this is not another excuse, so you won't give me the money I asked for.
Sonia, why are you talking like this? You can't even pity me on what I'm passing through. Huh?
Onyeka, don't get me angry. Don't get me angry at all. Eh? How can you say I don't pity you? Eh? Come on, 55,000 naira that I asked of. Now you're saying I'm not pitying you, Abi? See, I don't want to be angry at all.
If I remove 55,000 naira from 400,000, how much will be remaining? Think about it.
Sorry, it's not that I don't want to give you the money. I'll give you the money.
Are you sure? How you are talking? Come now, let's go inside. Oh, stop complaining and stop standing here to think. Baby, come, let's go inside. Let me go and give it to you like always.
Campus. Why is your face like that? Mama, my name is not on the admission list. Upon all the money I gave to Yediko Buagu, he did not do this admission thing.
Don't tell me. How do you mean your name is not in the admission list?
The last batch came out, my name was not there. I called him, he did not pick. I went to his house to ask him why. He said the money was not enough. Mama, look at, he even started beating me in his house. The annoying part is that I was calling on him so I can go to his house. He's not picking.
That means you don't have admission at all.
Yes, Mama. Hey!
You don't need to do this kind of thing to us. He said the admission money was 150,000 naira and we counted the whole money and gave to him.
I'm not happy, I'm not. That means I have to stay at home for 1 year again. What is this? Why me, Mama? Why me? Why would I go do this to me? Why?
You know me, I know he's always like that. But you know his admission thing, I had to oblige him now.
That's why he's looking like that. He will never go fat. He's looking like a crazy person. He eats people's money. I don't like this. I'm so happy. Go to punish him, Eddie Kobuagu. Go to punish him.
Nah. What is this now? I didn't bargain for this at all. Do you know the meaning of adoption? Or you don't understand the English? Adoption means they are not related. Not even the cousin, not even the niece. Just some child from anywhere. There is no way this woman will treat this girl right when it's time. There's no way. You put me into all of this, so.
Arinze, see, let me tell you, there's nothing to think about.
There's nothing to think about?
Yes. Me, I did not bargain for this, but there's nothing I can do. See, let me tell you, you have to continue with the marriage plans.
Continue with which marriage?
Yes, now, because you don't know what will happen tomorrow. The woman might help you.
It's not possible. That woman cannot give me any shishi. It's not possible. Now stop talking. Just shut your mouth first. Let me think. Let me think of what to do.
Wait. Are you planning to quit the marriage?
Just shut up. Let me think. Are you not understanding?
See, let me tell you, it's not possible, Arinze. It's not possible. Nina is not the kind of girl you proposed and you abandon her. It's not possible. You have to be careful. You have to be careful with her. You have to just continue the marriage and see what will come out of it. Yes, and I heard that the son is suffering from leukemia. And tomorrow, it might be Nina that will inherit all his properties.
Can you shut up? Can you just shut your mouth? Let me think. To inherit which property? Which properties? To adopt a child? Who knows where her parents are even suffering? Now stop talking rubbish. Let me think. That's how you always open your mouth to say off point.
There's nothing to think about. I didn't say there's nothing to think
about. Just shut up. Let me think.
Please.
Can you just shut your mouth? Don't you understand English? Shut up. Just shut up. Let me think. Shut up. I told you.
Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I was not thinking right.
But you know that what you did was wrong, right?
Yes. I shouldn't have gone away with my mother, but I was afraid your mother will hurt me. Sorry.
I don't expect you to do it again.
Don't do it.
Anyway, you're lucky that No girl has taken your position in this house.
Oh, brother. Brother, I'm back, oh. Oh, she's back.
Dikeh, please, I am sorry. Forgive me. I don't want to fight again. I am tired. Please help me beg your mother. I did not mean to insult her. Please.
I am sorry too. Besides, you are a woman like me. I don't have to fight with you. Yet, this is your husband's house and nobody is dragging it with you. I have forgiven you. Stand up.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, brother. Let me make something for the rest of the kids.
My daughter is here, oh.
Mama.
Nena, you're welcome.
How are you?
I am fine. How is your mother?
They are fine.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Well, I'm fine. Mama, where is Edgar? I've been looking for her.
I don't know where she has gone to. Nina, let's go inside.
Okay, Mama. I'm coming. Arizwe, there's something I want to talk to you about. It's really important.
Okay, alright, let's sit down.
Yeah, so I'm ready for your arrival. But you cannot meet my mother like this. So, all right. Follow me. Yeah. Follow me.
Increasing, eh? So what are we going to do now? Eh?
I should be asking you, eh? What do we do? Because the money she promised to give to me, she has not given it to me. I'm supposed to start work this week, but I said next week.
My own is that I'm ready to work now. Even the job you said you talked to your mama about for her to allow me work in her chambers, I'm here to get the job. Eh? Money to rent the accommodation. I didn't bargain for this at all. Though. I didn't bargain for this.
What are we going to do? Because me, I'm not going to abort. At least come and pay my bride price, even if you don't have money for wedding. Let me know that I am married.
That's the problem. Where will I get the money? Where will I get the money to pay? Is it just to marry? Are we going to be feeding on stones? Eh? The idea was me coming to see your people, which I've done, for you to know that I'm not running away because I got you pregnant. I don't understand though. As it stands now, I don't know what to do. I'm talking about job or even to start helping my family. Since I finished school, I've been in this house eating mama thank you. Is that why I spent all the years in school? And now you're coming with this? Nah, it's better I just...
Even this car, I have to beg her anytime I want to use it.
Are you for real? Eh? Even this car? So, what about the black one? The other car you're using?
come and meet my people and pay my bride price, eh? Come and meet them. Let me know that I'm in a man's house.
You're not even understanding what. Are we going to be feeding on stones when we get married?
Let's marry first. You are not leaving this house today.
Sonia.
Yes?
Sonia, get out of my way. I don't want to live here again. Is it by force?
It's by force, Oyeka. It's by force. You are not leaving this house to anywhere. It is me and you today.
Sonia, get out of my way.
Oyeka.
I will force you.
I am not going anywhere. In fact, what am I even saying? Let me lock the door.
Sonia, you're locking the door?
Yes, I have locked it already.
I'll break this door.
No man, break it.
I don't have money again. You have finished my money. Allow me to leave.
You are not going anywhere, Onyeka. You are not leaving this house. In fact, let me call my girlfriend.
You are looking for my trouble,
Oh, by the time my girlfriends get here, you will know yourself. You don't know Sonia. This one you're seeing now is the real one, apart from the one you've seen. Hello? Hello?
If you want to ceremony and you know get plenty money and you need a good DJ, Baba Sobe. She go play reggae and hip hop all day and night non-stop. Oh, everywhere go out to Baba Sobe. Sobe, Baba Sobe. Money DJ, Sobe go play, Sobe go dance. Baba Sobe, Sobe go shake. She know this forget her balance. Baba Sobe. Best international DJ, Baba Sobe, call Sobe, anytime, any day, Baba Sobe, money DJ, Sobe go play, Sobe go dance, Baba Sobe, Sobe go shake, she know this forget her balance, Baba Sobe, best international DJ, Baba Sobe, call Sobe, anytime, any day, Baba Sobe.
Here she comes. Oh,
thank you so much, Mom. It's so nice to meet you, Mom. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Not for you, I would have died for a crime I didn't commit. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
Get up, get up.
Mom.
She's beautiful.
I told you like her.
Come. Welcome to my house.
Thank you.
We've been waiting for you.
I'm so grateful.
Let's go inside.
Leave me alone. Leave my phone. You have collected my phone, Abi? You have collected my phone.
Open this door.
Anyway, don't worry. My girlfriend will soon be here. By the time she will bring boys that will beat you blue and black, you will know yourself. Stupid boy.
Open this door.
I am not opening it.
I have your phone. Take your phone. I opened the door.
I am not opening this door.
Open this door, let me leave.
Today, we are going to be here. But if you must leave, you are going to give me 100,000 naira to take care of myself and the baby.
I'll force you.
Come and force me.
Sonia, you are looking for trouble.
Useless boy.
You are looking for trouble.
Come and force me, Onyeka. Come and force me. You don't want to pay, Abi? You don't do finish. Now you carry.
I'm glad you're here today. Honestly, this is how a whole lot of people go to jail for the crime they did not commit.
Yes, ma'am. There are plenty there that are there for what they did not do.
Yes. Personally, I am an advocate for innocent people. That was why I found it hard to say no when my son told me about you.
God bless you, ma'am. I think God just had a way he wanted Collins and I to meet. Because the person that I went to jail for, that I took the blame for, he did not come, he did not even come to see me. He did not care.
What a minute, Sobe. Are you referring to that guy I contracted during my wedding to do DJ for us?
Yes, my ex-boyfriend in the village. He's the one.
Oh,
What's going on here?
Look who we have here.
I know her. My ex-boyfriend Rings, I'm telling you about.
What? Ex-boyfriend? Wait a minute, are you talking about Arinze?
Yes, the same one that killed my uncle. That's his girlfriend.
Excuse me, what are you talking about?
Nina, tell me it's not true. Are you aware that your fiancé killed the uncle?
No! I don't think so. Yeah, I know Arinze used to date her back in the village. But he told me she killed her uncle.
Lie! Arinze was the one that pushed my uncle down. Let him come and defend himself.
Yes! I didn't know it's this big. Here. From down there, down to that side.
To the end. That is why my uncle wants to kill me for this land.
Now I see. Now I see.
How much do you think I should sell it?
My dear, this land I'm seeing is worth 2 million naira. If
let me see how that will be possible. You are looking for my trouble. Sobe, so you are trying me. Arinze, you want to enter trouble. Let me see how you are going to sell this land.
Uncle, I don't want any problem more. You have sent me out of the house. This is my land. I want to sell it. I'll sell it if I want to sell it to Uncle. I don't want any trouble.
Eh? You are talking to me like that?
Yes, now she's talking to allow her to sell her land.
Uncle, acting mother your age.
Uncle, you are pressing my neck
alone now.
Uncle, you know you don't have any strength again. You are pressing my neck.
Leave her alone now.
You are pressing my neck.
Leave her alone.
Uncle!
Hey!
He's dead though. Eh? You killed him.
Subin.
Huh?
What do we do now?
We? It's not we. It's what do you do?
Hey!
What? So, he lied to me.
That is how he used to lie. When Arinze was in university, I suffered for him. Every weekend he would come home. I would give him my DJ work money. I would do farm work to raise plenty money for him. This I paid him back. He did not come to visit me in prison.
This is wickedness. Wickedness at the highest level.
Oh, Mom, I'm not happy. I think we need to invite that boy down here. I need to see him face to face.
Nina, where is he?
He's in the village.
My son, you don't have to be angry. Especially now that she has your child. Let's see what we can do. At least pay her dowry.
Dogging. Pay which dowry? Eh? After all she did to me, Mama, that girl tricked me. That girl tricked. She promised that she's going to get me a job. Up till now, no job. Now she's working with the mother and nothing for me. Absolutely nothing. And you're telling me to pay which dowry?
You see, I said it. The way she was rushing everything, I knew it that things may not go well, Mama.
And I also blame that stupid Peter for all this rubbish. I mean, he's been the one pushing me into all of this. Eh? Just look at, where do I start from? Job I don't have. Even money to pay the dowry I don't have.
Maybe the woman wants you to marry her first, before giving you a job. Let's see what we can do. Eh?
Marry who? Mama, to be sincere, if I had known that that woman is not her real mother, I wouldn't have put myself into all this nonsense. Eh? Look at the beautiful life I was having with Sobe. It's not just to be patient. Now where? Let me not talk. Can you imagine? She's even the one calling me. Oh, hello, ma. Yes, I can hear you, ma. Oh, okay, ma. Okay, ma. Right away. All right, ma. I'll be there. I'll be there very soon. Okay. I'll be there soon. Okay. Her mother just called me that I should come right away.
You see, I told you. Who knows why she's calling you? Gaba, go and answer her.
Maybe she's finally spoke to the mom about the job. Maybe that's why. Mama, let me just rush and see her. I know where, if it's the secretary or the clerk or anything.
It will work. Go.
Where will I go now? Huh? Hey, if I go to the village now, my mother will see me and she will know that I have finished this month. Eh? If I remain in this city now, they will see me. Sonia is the only person that knows my village. Now she's dead. They will not locate me. I will go to the village. Let me look for a lie that I will tell my mother. If I stay here, they will kill me. Can't show my way. And come Makara statement.
So you finally told your mom about the job, yeah?
Oh yes, I did. I did.
Wow, thank you very much. So,
Easy. There's something I want to ask you, and I want you to be sincere. Did you say Sobe killed her uncle?
that one is old gist now. Everybody in the village knows about it. Sobe is a very troublesome person. Who doesn't know? If not for me, she could have even killed the uncle long time ago. I just thank my stars that I didn't get to settle down with Sobe. If not for that, what would I have done?
The tears I cry for love. My broken heart breaks for love. I'm just a fool, suffering for love, everything for love. Oh,
Sobe? Wait, is that you?
My friend, keep quiet. She's not a ghost. Did you say Sobe killed her uncle?
Huh? Sobe, is that you? So this is what you're telling everybody about me, Arinze? After everything I did for you, this is what you are telling everybody. Sobe, is that you? Swear if you will not die. You are the one that pushed him. Uncle was coming. Sobe, don't sell that land. Sobe, don't sell that land. Yeah, uncle, stop pushing. Sobe. He came. Don't push Sobe. Sobe. And then they say, leave Sobe alone. You know how many? Get out. Uncle told me, because of you. You know how many get out? Uncle told me, get out with your talk of business. Sobe, get out now with your talk of business. Business, money, DJ work. Get out, no space, just talk of business. Because of you. Uncle, get out with your talk of business.
So you lied against this poor lady? Huh?
Arinze, you know what I am capable of. I want you to tell me nothing but the truth, the whole truth. As we speak right now, the police are on their way to this place. So tell me what happened.
Please, Sobe, please. Please forgive me, mommy, please. Actually, I was the one that pushed him. I was the one, but I was only trying to...
It's not because you did not push him because of me. Uncle says, Sobe, don't sell the land. Now say, don't touch Sobe, push. Please. After all the get out with my talk of business, DJ, please, get out, Sobe.
Please.
Way back.
Please.
Do not visit me in the prison.
Please. I was only protecting my studies. You can ask Nina here. That point was when we were writing our final exams. I was trying to protect my studies, please. I'm not a murderer, please. Please. You know I was trying to...
You're not trying to protect me.
I was trying to protect me. I'm the only son of my mother. I don't want to go to jail.
Me, I'm the only child. I went to jail. With get out with your talk of business.
Please, ma. Please, it wasn't intentional. That man was already dying. It's just a little pussy. He just fainted. I Sobe here.
I was not there. I mean, I was there. But it was one that pushed him.
Hi. Please.
Let me get out. Get out of my job because of this. Get out.
Please, I'm
your business.
Wonders will not cease to happen. You won't believe this.
What's happened?
Do you know it was that guy you contacted to do DJ job for a traditional marriage? What's his name? Arinze. It was Arinze that killed Sobe's uncle.
Jesus Christ. Honey, how did you know about that? I thought it was Sobe.
No. As a matter of fact, Sobe is out of prison.
Huh? How did it happen?
Collins, my friend, helped out. As we speak right now, Sobe is with Collins. He told every one of us how it happened. As we speak right now, Arinze is on his way to Collins' house. He's not even aware that Sobe is out of prison.
Hey!
How I wish I can go there to see how he will feel when he sees Sobe. This is serious. My mother must hear about this.
Honey, that guy is wicked. You can imagine how he abandoned that girl to rot in prison and even proposed to marry Nina.
What happened?
I'm robbers. Where is Mama?
Mama is that way. Mama.
Mama, what are you doing here?
Mama, your son told Jesus Igwe. Mama told Jesus Igwe. Mama, I'm robbers. They nearly killed me because is there any food in this house? So people should give me. Let me eat and have strength to tell you people what happened. They nearly killed me.
I will not say anything until you tell me that that money you took from here to the city is intact. Else I will kill myself for you.
Mama,
go and give him food.
Mama, your son and food, which one? Your son and money, which one is more important to you? Anyway, let her bring food first. Let me eat. I have strength to tell you what happened. Because I'm robbers. I will not die. Instead of armed robbers to kill me, I'd rather die than for them to kill me. Mama, why are you talking like this? Yeah? Hey, I'm robbers. I'm under no mind this.
Please, I was angry when I said I hate him. Please, help him. I don't want him to go to jail.
I have always done a lot of things to make you happy. But not on this one. He has to face the law. Yes.
Mom, please remember, there are no evidence. You can still do this one and hide it. Same way you brought Sobe out and no one found out. You can still...
Nina, is this really coming out from you? You want us to cover him up? How can a man that knows the law do a thing like this? And you want us to cover it up? You are not serious. Even if it was a mistake, how could he lie? Why? Even while she was still here, he's still lying against her. He's wicked.
I'm pregnant for him.
What? No. You are not serious. Yes. Tell me you are not serious.
I am. That was what I went to tell him today. Mommy, please. I don't want my baby's father to go to jail. Please. Even if this has to be the only thing you will do for me, please just do it for me, please. I will always appreciate it.
Nina, how could you? How could you sell off your body to a man that have not paid your bride price? How could you do a thing like this?
You disappoint me. You disappoint me big time.
Mom. Mommy.
What are you saying? Mama, come and see the way armed robbers were beating my friend. The way they were beating my friend in front and back, up and down. They were beating my friend to kill him. Hey, God. If not this God, you are the one that saved me from armed robbers. If not, they would have killed me. They would have killed me in the city. I said instead of armed robbers to kill me, let me kill myself. I came back with my life and my mother. They are not happy that I came back, and they didn't believe me. Oh God, you are seeing everything. You are seeing everything, oh God. Oh, I'm robbers. Oh, my money.
Oh. Now what are you saying? What are you saying? Eh? Oh, you think we are fools? We don't have sense. We don't think. Eh? Eh, now we're fools.
How do you mean? Huh? Are you saying that I'm talking rubbish?
So the armed robbers that attacked you and your friends, they also went to the bank to collect the money you traveled with? Eh? Onyedikachuku. How many weeks? Under how many weeks Onyedikachuku? Hey!
You're talking that you're saying that I don't know what I'm saying now. Is that what? Are you okay?
Onyeka, eat your food. When you finish, you tell me what happened to 1.2 million naira you took from this village.
Hey! Hey!
What do you mean? Oh, armed robbers accosted you, beat your friend, but did not beat you. Because you are killing in Wachuku. You are the tiger. You were able to wrestle with the armed robbers. Remember that land was Tobe's land. It was Tobe's land. We sold that land and gave you the money so that before Tobe will come out from prison, you would have duplicated that money and be prepared to pay her. I don't want to hear this. Talk to your brother. Talk to your brother. Because both of you should prepare to bury me alive.
Eh?
Yes. That money or nothing else.
Onyekachuku, if anything happens to Mama, if anything should happen to my mother, I will forget that you're my senior. You will not like me. You will not like me.
What are you saying? Mama? Okay, because armed robbers didn't beat me. Do you know how much I used to treat myself for me to come back alive, come back well? Eh? For me to come back presentable. Do you know I would have come back here with one leg? But my people, what are people saying?
It would be better they killed you.
Armed robbers were beating people, they were killing people. It was this God that saved me, and you people are not happy. You saying that, do you know that there's a way armed robbers do these days? You go to somebody's account, they'll sweep it. Why you people? Eh?
Oh, it's no longer armed robbers, it's now Wayo people.
These are armed robbers, they are together. They came together. Eh, Mama? They came together. What people are saying? What's the meaning of this? Eh? Do you know what they did to me? What armed robbers did to me? Before I know where eh? Mama, I don't like this. I don't know what armed robbers did to me.
It is the 1.2 million now.
How could my son Arinze do this? How could my son Arinze do this? Hey! He killed him, okay? Eh? Eh?
Mama, please, you will have to go with me. You have to go there. He's still at the police station. If nothing is done, he'll be thrown into prison.
Mba! How did Sobe manage to come out?
It's my mother. My mother helped her. Yes. Mama, please, you have to go. Come with me. I'm pregnant for a reason.
Eh? You're pregnant for my son. You're pregnant for Arinze and he's in the prison.
Mama. I'm not saying he will go to prison. I said he may.
No. I want more.
Please, let's go and do something.
What can I do? What can I do? Tell me.
If you want to ceremony and you know get plenty money and you need a good DJ, Baba Sobe. She go play reggae and hip hop all day and night non-stop. Everywhere go out to Baba Sobe.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning.
Stop it! 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 Stop it
Come on, Sobe, you're not supposed to be doing this. We have workers paid to do this job. No. All you need is to be resting. You've done a lot of work at the prison.
It's nothing at all. I like to do it. I like to wash or clean with her. I don't even want to be paid because there's nothing I can do that will repay you for what you have both done for me.
No, Sobe. People help each other. You are not part of us. So behave like us. Okay?
No, yes, you know, it's something I told you. When you do it for me, I'll be happy.
What is that?
What is it asking you to do?
It's asking me to dance again.
Collins.
Oh, she's very good. We'll get it massage. I want that to dance for me too.
Don't mind me.
We'll get it massage.
Onye nwanyị ozitewo. Ọchọmma. I'm going out. Where is Mama?
Mama has gone out.
Keep my food.
Yes, sir. Odogu, keep your food. Did you give us money to cook food?
What do you mean did I give you money? Huh? Since Mama didn't start business again, she must have some money.
Mama didn't start business again. You have tried many times to start business. Where is the money?
Look at who is talking. Look at who is talking. How many times have you tried JAMB? Did you enter school, you?
I did not fail JAMB. They just did not give me admission.
You passed. No. You didn't pass.
I passed.
Look at who is talking. Keep my food in a corner.
Officer!
You that refuse to go to
This is Onyeka. Arrest him!
Wait, how about the police?
You think you can run? Huh? You will die!
How about police? Police!
Arrest him!
Are you the one that arrested?
Stand right there, you're under arrest for the murder of Sonia.
Arrest him! What are you waiting for?
Chineke,
you kicked somebody.
I didn't do anything.
You will die!
This girl has been hurting me since. Put your hands together.
Officer, what are you waiting for? Arrest him!
Choma lawyer. Please, someone put your hands together. Hey, I'm going to break for you.
Yes.
Call mama, please. Choma lawyer. Move. Call mama. Choma lawyer.
Officer.
Choma lawyer. Come on, Choma lawyer. Choma lawyer. Thank God you're out. Hey.
Mama, how are you?
My daughter, because whatever my son Arinze has done to you, please forgive him. I didn't know my son Arinze can go to that extent to hurt you. Because Mama, don't let him go to jail. Because
Mama, don't need them. The matter is out of my hand now. It's out of my hand now. Hey. Your son, he left me there in jail for a crime that I went there to represent him for. He did not even come to see me. He came only once. Hey. Even you, he did not come to see me at all. For a crime that I went to represent your son for. Hey.
So then one, how would I know the place?
Prison, that's the place.
I was thinking my son Arinze was coming to check on you from time to time. Eh? Because help me, beggar. Look out for me.
Forgive Arinze, please.
Oh, well, Mama, listen, you know she just came back, so let's give her a little time, okay? I'll talk to her. I'll talk to her.
Hey!
But just allow her to rest first.
Arinze.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Mama was there. Mama was there. You know how many get out? With my equipment box. Get out, so big. Help me.
Mom. Sobe. Collins. Please. I want to beg every one of you to find it in your heart to forgive Arinze for all the lies he told against Sobe, for the way he treated her. If I had known he did all that, I wouldn't have put myself in this mess.
Oh please, that's already happened. Let's forgive him.
Honestly, I'm surprised. I'm surprised that you are doing this. That boy made me detest everything about him. What are you even saying?
Mom, Nina is right. His mother was here today. And she was crying. I don't have the mind. I will not be at peace seeing her cry like that. Besides, I have gone to jail already. Help him, Mommy. Let it be now.
Mom, please.
Mom. I don't even know what to say. But please, if there is any other punishment you can give to him, please do, instead of him going to jail. At least for the sake of his mother, my sister Nina carrying his unborn child. Now that it hasn't gotten to the public, let's find a way and keep it within ourselves. Please.
Get up. What are you doing? Nina, get up. Sobe, what kind of a person are you? Don't tell me you've forgiven him. Just like that. After all you went through. After everything.
Just for love, so I'm just a fool, suffering for love, just a fool, suffering for love, so I'm just a fool.
You will fall sick. Arinze will not die. He's only going to prison.
That is not what I want. What do you want? I don't want my son to go to prison. So, babe, upon all I pleaded, you still did not forgive me.
Mama, you don't have to blame her. So because she did not forgive, she's now a bad person. You have to blame brother, not her.
Exactly. Why did he go to that extent? He killed Ibokwe, yet he lied against Sobe. Eh? Well, all we have to be planning now is how to be visiting him in the prison.
If I reach go to prison, I will die. I will die.
You will not die, you will not die, Ejindo. Ego, hold your mother. How can you say you will die? Mama. For what?
Mama, if you want to die, you die. Yeah, I cannot hold you. Go ahead and die. I'm tired. I will not stop you. I'm not happy with Arinze at all. I've told you.
How can you say that? Ego. Ejindo. Don't worry. He will be alright in the prison.
Get up and take your medicine. Mama, I don't like to be with you. You're thinking too much. Mama, is this how your brother will remain in prison for the rest of his life? Mama, but I don't know what I have done. I don't know. Mama, he got what he deserved. Eh? I heard he was living with that girl. He even got her pregnant. Eh? Mama, can you imagine? He's evil. But I know, but he doesn't deserve it now. If I had known, I wouldn't have sold that land, because it's that land that cost everything. Mama, that process here.
The tears I cry for love. My broken heart breaks for love. I'm just a fool, suffering for love, everything for love. Oh, I'm ready to die, just for love. I'll tell a lie, just for love. So I'm just a fool, suffering for love. Just a fool, suffering for love. So I'm just a fool, suffering for love. Just a fool, suffering for love.
This one you came.
Yeah, I decided to come and greet the people and came with someone you would like to see.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, Mama, Sister Sobe.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon, Wami. I am sorry, Onwambiko. I know how things turn around for you.
No, you don't have to kneel down.
I'm sorry.
I insisted I must come here to look you in the eye. I hear you sold my land also.
I'm sorry.
I wouldn't ever use force. If I want to, I'm certain you know who Collins here is.
Sister Sobe, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Please forgive us. We're sorry.
It's fine. Mama, I bear no grudge against you.
Oh, Mama. Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, sister. You've forgiven me.
To die, just for love. I'll tell a lie.
This world is something else. So Sobe is actually out from prison now. Now dines and wine with rich woman.
You call her a rich woman only. She is a chief judge. If she wants to send you to jail, with a snap of her finger you're in jail.
Who would have believed in this life? Sobe will be in this position.
I'm telling you, you see the kind of cash she was in. That guy is very rich. But For this country now, people get am. I never knew someone could easily go to jail and come out like that.
Now connection, my sister. One day, God will favor me as he favored Sobe.
Abi, from prison to palace.
You see that we go from prison to palace.
It's okay now, I was just joking with you.
Must I go from prison? Go, Joe.
You say you want to be like Sobe. I'm just happy for her, Sha. She's lucky.
Mama. Mama, please. I am not a bad person. I am sorry I reacted that way. I was not thinking right. Please forgive me and accept me as your daughter. Please.
Mama, please. I beg you. My wife is not a bad person. There is something I saw in her before I married her. Please, Mama. She was an actress before I married her, but she decided to quit the profession because she loved me so much. Mama, I beg you. Accept her the way she is.
Mama, actresses are not bad people. They're like every other girl you see. They are human with both good and bad sides. Mama, please forgive me. I promise to do whatever you want me to do that will make you happy. Please.
Kill me.
Mama, what did you say?
Kill me.
Are you okay? Mama? Mama? Mama?
My tummy.
Mama, what is
Mama,
it?
My tummy. My tummy. My tummy. She has killed me. She has killed me.
Mama, what's the problem? Mama, what's the problem?
Mama.
I'm an actress now. I want to act the way you film people used to act now.
Mama, you scared me. You scared me, Mama.
Stand up. It is well with you, my daughter. I forgive you. I forgive you. Thank you. Hey!
Mama. Mama, thank you. Thank you.
Would you forget?
Yes, I did. I'm reading papers they gave to me. I'm trying to understand it. It's very hard.
Surprise, surprise. Guess what?
What's that?
Guess
It's not okay this time around. It's just like
you want to study in America, to study law. Your visa is out.
My visa is out, yes! The one they asked me questions for that day? Yes.
That's beautiful.
It's out. My visa is out.
Yes.
I tell you, I'm going to do every single money possible. Get away! It's okay.
We are family. Okay? I can't wait to see you dressed like a lawyer.
I'm having a headache. I need to get cold water. I need to sit a while.
Because of visa, because of
You're bothering me too much.
It's okay. I think
If you want to ceremony and you know Baba Sobe, Sobe, Baba Sobe. Money DJ, Sobe go play, Sobe go dance. Baba Sobe, Sobe go shake. She know they forget her balance. Baba Sobe, best international DJ. Baba Sobe, call Sobe anytime, any day. Baba Sobe, money DJ, Sobe go play, Sobe go dance. Baba Sobe, Sobe go shake. She know they forget her balance. Baba Sobe, best international DJ. Baba Sobe, call Sobe